Welcome to all. A presentation on MIMO antenna by S.S. Reddy at Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli. Today we are going to discuss about MIMO antenna. Antenna is nothing but a transducer which converts the electrical energy to electromagnetic energy. Antenna is used to transfer the electromagnetic energy from transmitter antenna to the receiver antenna. There are so many advantages of the antenna as compared with wire technology. In wire technology, wire are used to transfer signal from one place to another place, but that signal we cannot transfer to a long distances. So overcome these drawbacks of the wire system in communication by using this antenna. In antenna, we cannot use the wires to transfer the signal from one place to another place, and by using antenna we transfer the signal from transmitter to receiver antenna to a long distances. So antenna played a very important role in the communication system. So this is the question: reflection spot. If antenna is not discovered, then what happens? I already discussed the difference between the wire system and wireless system. In wire system is a costly system. Also, we cannot transfer the signal to a long distances, and more wires are required. In wireless system, we use the antenna to transfer the signal from one place to another place. So the cost of the system is reduces, and also the wires are not used to transfer the signal from one place to another place. In wireless system, which is nothing but antenna, we use it for transfer the signal from one place to another place. That system, antenna system, there are 4 types of the antenna systems are available. First is SISO, single input, single output. In this system, at the transmitter and receiver side, only single antenna are used. Means only one signal we transfer at a time, and receiver receives the one signal at a time. But the drawback of this system is that we cannot transfer more signal at a time. Only one signal we transmit. Second antenna system, SIMO, single input, multiple output. At transmitter side, single antenna is used. At receiver side, more antenna, multiple antennas are used. Here again the drawback of this system is only one signal we transmitted at a time, but at receiver side the more antennas are present that receives the signal at different angles with different times. Third technique, MISO, multiple input, single output. In multiple input, single output, multiple antenna are present at the transmitter side and only single antenna is present at the receiver side. In this system, we transfer one or more signals at a time, but at receiver side only single signals are received. Means in SISO, SIMO and MISO, some drawbacks are available. That drawbacks are overcome in the MIMO system. MIMO system is nothing but multiple input, multiple output. Means at the transmitter side, multiple antennas are present. At receiver side, multiple antennas are present. Means we transfer one or more signal parallelly at a time, and at the receiver side, one or more signals are received at a time. So the comparison of MIMO with other antenna system, the data rate, channel capacity and quality of the signal in SISO, SIMO and MISO techniques are poor. It is required to enhance the data rate and channel capacity using the MIMO antenna. Means some drawbacks are available, means data rate of the signal, channel capacity and the quality of the signal in SISO, SIMO and MISO techniques are poor. Means by using MIMO antenna system, we are going to enhance the data rates, also channel capacity of the signal, because we transfer more signal at a time. The problem of multipath flooding in SISO, SIMO and MISO can be avoided in the MIMO system. What is this multipath flooding technique? We know that antenna is nothing but to transfer the electromagnetic signal in free space. When that electromagnetic signals are transferred in free space, which intersect with the obstacles like hills, buildings, trees, so that electromagnetic signal change the directions or change the angle. So they take more time to goes to the receiver side. So because of that timing and because of that signals are travel from longer distance, that reduces the strength of the signals. Hence the quality of the signal is poor here. Means that multipath flooding effect is removed by using the MIMO antenna system. The MIMO technology is used to transfer more data in the parallel stream. In communication, correlation between the two or more antenna degrades the performance of the antenna. Why? To minimize the correlation between the antenna. We know that MIMO is nothing but multiple inputs, means multiple antennas are present on a single substrate. So when we placing the antenna close to each other, because of that the correlation is take place, and that between the antennas degrades the performance of the antenna. So it is required to minimize the correlation between the antenna in MIMO system. These are the some parameters of the antenna: isolation, return loss, gain, directivity, VSWR, torque, correlation coefficients, envelope correlation coefficient, radiation impedance, axial ratio, channel capacity, bandwidth and efficiency. Thank you.